Welcome to TDS Online Math. Now let's solve for x here, okay? So let's solve x solution. Now we are given 5 raised to x plus 5 raised to x plus 5 raised to x equals 120. Now from here, because we have root x in common, okay, square root of x in common, let's take it out. So we should let a variable be square root of x. So in going back, this side will be, so we have 5t plus 5t plus 5 exponent t. So to the party throughout equals 120. All right. Now, because we have 5 with t throughout, we can also let the variable with that. Let 5 with t be k. Okay. So in going back, this side will be k plus k plus k equals 120. So we have k plus k plus k equals 120. So k plus k plus k with 3k equals 120. So let's divide both sides by 3. So this side will cancel. K will be 3 here, 3 4 12. So we have 40. K is 40. Now remember, if k is 40, we now send k back to its position. 5 exponent t is now 40. So 5 raised to t is 40. So once we find 40, we bring 40 back here, then we find x, and the question is solved. So let's quickly solve for t here. Now, what do we do here? The only option is to take log on both sides. So this side will be log 5t log 40. Okay. So log a exponent p is the same as p log a. So we have this property. So this side will be t log 5 equals log 40. So from here, we can divide both sides by log 5, where t will be log 40 over log 5. So we have that. Now let's reduce them, okay? So from here, the numerator can be written as, now 8 times 5 is 40. So we have log 8 times 5 on log 5. Don't forget that log AB the same as log A plus log B. So from here, my t will be, okay, my t will be log 8 plus log 5 on log 5. Now, when we're given x plus m over c, the same as x over c plus m over c. So we can write this one as log 8 over log 5 plus log 5 over log 5. So t log 8 over log 5 plus log 5 over log 5. Okay. Now, from here, this side will cancel, which will make this side good. Log 8 over log 5 plus 1. Now, when you're given log A over log B, the same as log 8 base B. So, my T will be 1 plus log 8 base 5 as the answer. Okay, so we have T now. Let's go back and check. So we have T equals to square root of x. So we have T equals to square root of x. Okay, so if I do substitution, this side will be root x equals T 1 plus log 8 to base 5. Therefore, x will be, so I have to square both sides. And this side squared. My x will be 1 plus log 8 base 5 all squared. That's the answer. So let's verify and see if our answer is correct. Let's verify. So remember, we have, let's check the question. 5 exponent root x, 5 exponent root x, 5 exponent root x plus equals 120. So we want to verify if the sum of these three will give us 120. Okay. All right. So let's go. So we have 5. So this side will be 5 exponent. So we have x as 1 plus log 8 base 5 all squared plus 5 1 plus plus 1 plus log 8 base 5 all squared. Okay, so this side will cancel, this side will cancel, and this side will cancel. I will have it 5 raised to 1 plus log 8 base 5 plus 5 1 log 8 base 5 plus 1 plus log 8 base 5. All right, from here, this side can be written as 5 raised to 1 times 5 raised to log 8 base 5. Okay, so there are 3, so we can make it this plus that plus that. So we have 3 times that, so it will be 3 times. So let's use 3. Okay, 3 times that. So let's express this one, then multiply it by 3, and everything will be solved. Okay, since they are equal. All right, so from here, 3 brackets. So when we're given x raised log, okay, p to base x, so x raising log p to base x, the answer will be p. So in a similar way, 2 raised log y to base 2, the answer is y. Now let's observe this. Well, 5 raised to log 5, 8 to base 5, okay, 5, then 5 is 8. So we have 5 the power 1 5 times 8. Okay, so we have 3 times 2. 8 times 5 is 40. So 3 times 40 is straight away 120. Hence, this plus this is 120. Hence proved. All right. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos like this.